Okay, this video is about aqueous solutions. So some things that you're going to learn on this video are some definitions. We have 3 definitions here. We have a solution, which is a mixture of a solute and a solvent. And we say the solute is dissolved in the solvent, and together these make a solution. And it's a homogeneous solution. A couple more definitions. I'm not going to read this for you. You have the information here. In general, though, aqueous means the solution is, the liquid of the solution is water. So it's a solution that has water as the solvent, and you always have water as a liquid in the aqueous solutions. And then electrolytes, non-electrolytes. One can conduct electricity when dissolved, one cannot. And here are some examples of electrolytes and some examples of non-electrolytes. So you might notice the electrolytes are ionic compounds and strong and weak acids. Non-electrolytes, and actually I should mention, you'll see down here strong and weak. Strong acids are strong electrolytes. Weak acids are weak electrolytes. Non-electrolytes tend to be molecules, that are not acidic or basic. Okay. Then we have the electrolytes broken down into strong, non, and weak. The weak bases you won't need to worry about. You just, as long as you know the strong acids, and you know that an acid, for the purpose of this class, will always start with an H. Anything that starts with an H, other than water, will be considered an acid. And the strong ones you'll have to memorize. Actually, you won't have to memorize. You'll have a list of those. Okay. There's another thing here, hydration. Hydration occurs when this is a water molecule. These delta pluses and delta minuses are just showing you that a water molecule has a negative and a positive end. Excuse me. So hydration occurs when water molecules surround a substance. In this case, this is an ion. And when we have an ion that's positive, the negative side of the water will surround that ion. Here you'll see that same thing, the negative side of water will surround a positive ion, and the positive side of water would surround a negative ion. Okay. When we say the word salt, a salt just means an ionic compound. When a salt dissolves, it gets surrounded by water molecules, hence hydration. Okay, so here's an example of, we have solid sodium chloride, we put it into water, and we get aqueous ions of sodium and aqueous ions of chloride. Okay. You haven't seen this before. Some reactions are reversible, and when reactions are reversible, you'll see an arrow pointing in both directions. One key thing here is, even if you have an arrow pointing in both directions, once I've written a reaction down, the left side is still the reactants, even if the reaction is going toward the left. The right side is products, the left side is reactants, regardless of whether the reaction is going forward or reverse. And that's it.